Well, hello. Welcome to my Hostile to Harmless Fighting Back course. I'm Derek Moretti, and my wife Lisa will be joining us to demonstrate with me. To begin, it's important to know that how bad a human can physically hurt us has almost everything to do with where their chest is facing and how well they can breathe. This makes a person most threatening to us when they are standing on their feet with their chest free to move. That's where they have the ability to use their body the way it was designed and with all its potential power. What's been proven to give us the best odds when it comes to fighting back when there are no weapons involved is to make someone fall and either empty their gas tank or render them harmless while they're still down. The odds are all over the place when people try to stay on their feet and slug it out or rely on self-defense moves. So let's see what it takes to keep those odds on our side and how to practice with our favorite people. And we'll start with what I call shields up. Let's go.